second day of Vlogmas and ayan, medyo dami kong dala. Kunyari, meron tayong bag na ganito pero meron naman isa pang bag. So, ayan, super Girl Scout ko talaga kaya kailangan madami tayong dala. So, bye-bye guys. Pupunta tayo somewhere. I'm gonna show it later. I'll see you in a bit. Dito ba? Nawawala ko guys. Tignan nyo. I found it guys. Yan guys, gabi na pala. Ang ganda. Ang tagal ko din hindi nagpa-lashes kasi nag-photoshoot tayo, diba, nung October. Tapos medyo hindi ako lumabas at all noong November. So, ngayon tayo lumabas. At yan. Dahil wala pa akong sundo. Bago siyang cafe pero hindi pa siya tapos. Eto, ang ganda niya sa loob. Back here sa bahay with this one. What's your name?
Yanling AJ.
Yanling.
Today we're going swimming tonight with the very best boat.
No, I'm not gonna go swimming because my eyelash will fall.
That's eyelashes?
Yeah.
Then remove it.
Ma'am, I cannot remove it. I cannot swim today.
Oh, we'll swim today.
No.
Yes.
It's
And
late na. Hindi tayo mag-swimming. We're just gonna stay here. Ang ganda dito sa swimming pool namin. Kasi look, meron kaming deck dito para dito kami magsusoju and everything. While waiting for dinner, I'm just gonna tell you what happened. Nagpagawa ako sa new lounge na to. Tapos nag-quick stop ako sa Calidad Coffee, which is a coffee shop here in Pampanga na medyo sikat dahil sa minimalist look niya. And guys, they have the best coffee so far. And also, nakita nyo, meron akong bagong cafe na tinignan. Actually, naglalakad lang ako tapos nakita ko, oh my gosh, eto pala yung bagong cafe na open nung kakilala ko. And I'm really so happy with the ambience. Hindi ko pa pinakita ko anong itsura niya, pero siguro a few days from now, papakita ko sa inyo anong itsura ng Moon Cafe. But nakita nyo naman, quick look on it, diba? So, yun. Ngayon magdi-dinner lang kami. Hindi ako makakapag-swim. Ka pa, konti.
Backwards.
Dito.
Okay. 1,
Wait.
3.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, mother dear. Rigor.
Do you know? We're not there.
Guys, shut this down. Subscribe to the button too, guys. Also,
subscribe.
now.
Kakatapos lang namin videohan yung pamangkin ko as usual. Super cute kasi meron silang ipapasa sa school nila. So, yun. Ulit-ulit kami kanina pero ang cute. And now, eto, magsasara na ako. Tutulog na sila lahat. Sasara na ako ng ilaw. Usually, I'm the last one alive. Awake. I'm the last one awake. So, yan. Mag-aayos muna tayo dito. I really like fixing everything here before doing my work and then sleeping. Let's turn off the lights kasi ang daming lights na nakabukas. Ito na lang naman yung gising. So, let's turn everything off. Iwan ko lang itong isa. Oh, the lights outside. There. I'm gonna clean up. Ito. Medyo madaming baso paggabi dahil inom sila ng gamot and everything. So, ayan. Maghuhugas muna ako ng dishes before doing everything that I have to do before editing this video. Hugasan ko na to. Yan na, na-set up ko na ang working table ko. Mag-edit na tayo ng Vlogmas and bubuksan ko tong candle na to para feel ko naman na wala ako dito sa bahay. Para working mode tayo. Look at this candle. Buying it for the gram candle. Ganda nito. Binili ko talaga siya for the gram. Pero ang bango-bango niya. Until now, ang tagal na nito. Pero mabango pa rin siya. Oh no, paubos na siya. Wait lang, kuha pa tayo ng kandila. Before ending this video, let's check out what we did today. I'm a planner girl. Dati gusto kong i-digital planning na lang lahat, pero I still stick to my old planner kasi lahat kasi digital na ngayon. So if mag-digital planning ka pa, parang no break na sa screen. So I stick with my planner and naka-notebook tayo for all the things that I have to take note, like yung mga videos na pwedeng gawin, gano'n. Guys, may kukuklak kami doon. Ganyan yung tunog niya every hour. Yan guys, yun yung tunog ng kukuklak namin every time, every hour. So, medyo nakakatakot siya. Lalo na pag umaabot ako ng 3 AM, super takot ko kasing tao. So, ayan nga guys. I can't. Pero guys, that's the reminder for me to wrap this all up. So, I'm just gonna wrap these things. Nagpa-plan na ako for the next Vlogmas episodes. Meron na kasi ako for the whole week, but next week, medyo meron pa talagang mga kulang na plans. And I really want to make this work para mag-enjoy kayo guys in watching my videos. So, I hope you keep watching my videos. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button and that bell button. Thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas episode. Bye guys! Good night!